Hello. Welcome to another episode of Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh. I'm your host and wealth coach Brijesh Parekh. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about what are the key principles for building a successful long-term investment portfolio. Building a successful long-term investment portfolio requires careful planning and adherence to key principles that can help maximize returns while managing risk. Here are some important principles to consider. Diversification. Diversification is a fundamental principle of portfolio construction. By spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, and within each asset class by investing in different companies or sectors, you reduce the risk of being overly exposed to any single investment. Diversification can help balance out the ups and downs of individual investments and increase the overall stability of your portfolio. Asset allocation. Asset allocation refers to the strategic distribution of your investment capital across different asset classes based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. The right asset allocation will depend on factors such as your age, financial circumstances, and investment objectives. Generally, younger investors with a longer time horizon can afford to take on more risk and allocate a higher percentage of their portfolio to growth-oriented assets like stocks, while older investors may focus more on income-generating assets like bonds. Risk management. Understanding and managing risk is crucial for long-term investment success. This involves assessing your risk tolerance and choosing investments that align with it. It's important to carefully evaluate the potential risks associated with each investment and consider factors such as volatility, liquidity, and the possibility of loss. Regular portfolio monitoring and periodic rebalancing can help ensure that risk levels remain within your desired parameters. Long-term perspective. Successful long-term investing requires patience and a focus on the big picture. It's important to avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations or trying to time the market. Instead, take a long-term perspective, staying committed to your investment strategy and allowing your investments to grow over time. Over the long run, markets have historically tended to rise, and staying invested can help you benefit from overall market trends. Research and due diligence. Thorough research and due diligence are vital when selecting investments. This includes analyzing the financial health and performance of companies, studying market trends, and considering factors that can impact the value of investments. It's also wise to diversify research sources and seek out expert opinions or consult with a financial advisor when needed. Regular review and adjustments. Markets and economic conditions change over time, so it's important to regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments when necessary. Rebalancing your portfolio periodically helps maintain your desired asset allocation and can involve selling assets that have grown significantly in value and reallocating those funds to underperforming areas. Regular reviews also allow you to reassess your investment goals and make any necessary adjustments to your long-term strategy. Remember, building a successful long-term investment portfolio requires discipline, patience, and a focus on your individual circumstances and goals. It's always prudent to seek the advice of a qualified financial professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. That's all for today's episode of Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh. I hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. Join us next time for more valuable tips and strategies to unlock your financial potential. As always, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh And never miss an episode where we bring you more insights, strategies, and inspiration to help you achieve financial success.